If you want to succeed in life and get ahead of the crowd, you need to master these three things. 1. Work smarter, not harder. First, work smarter, not harder. It's not just about burning your energy and grinding 24/7. It's about using the right strategy, tools, and systems to get results. 2. Take calculated risks. Second, take calculated risks. Stop sitting on the sidelines because of fear. Weigh the options, measure the outcomes, and make your move. 3. Believe in your ability. Finally, be confident in your ability. If you don't believe in yourself, no one else will. You have what it takes to make it happen. Which one do you need to work on today? Drop a comment below and hit follow for more daily value.